record this. This is John Dennis of ILSSI, International Lean Six Sigma Institute, and I'm just pleased to be speaking with Lev Kuanykov, who is presenting to me their app for design of experiments, and it's a something we are looking to be integrating into our training. So thank you, Lev. You're going to demonstrate it now. Thank you.
All right, awesome. Thank you, John, for this opportunity. Can you see the screen?
Okay. Yes.
All right. Let me give you some background, so the reason for this app. Well, so basically there are three major tools on the market. It's Minitab, Jump, and Sigma Excel plugin. And all these tools has their own pros and cons. Minitab is not that much user-friendly. Jump is cool. I think it's really cool. It's designed for DOE, actually, and they have a lot of documentation, but it's not free, right? And Sigma Excel, it's somewhere in between. It's also paid. You need Excel, and the usability actually can be better. So what I found about Sigma Excel is that when you want to redo your design of experiments, you basically need to go back to the beginning, and a lot of switching back and forth.
And by the way, Lev, your company is called SCANBA, is that correct?
That's right.
Yeah, Lev. Yeah. And where are you located, Lev?
Yeah, so the company is itself, it's a spin-off from Lapinranta Institute of Technology from Lapinranta, but right now I am in St. Petersburg. It's next to Finland, let's say. So I'm commuting. So currently I'm in my
next to Finland.
I'm with my family right now. Yeah, in St. Petersburg. You see, it's not the office background.
No. Yeah. Did you say Innsbruck?
St. Petersburg.
St. Petersburg. Oh, okay, fantastic. All right, great. Love it. Yeah, great.
Yeah. It's very easy. Just a 2 hours drive to Lapinranta.
All right. Okay, I see. Fantastic. Thank you. So yeah, so you did the background. You understood that what was on offer, and then your company programmed something to be.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's
very good. Okay, go ahead. Then. Go ahead.
Yeah. So there are a lot of actually open source tools for doing design of experiments.
Yeah.
And there is a statistical language called R, just a single letter R.
Yeah.
If you heard about that. And
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, there are plenty of statistical functions inside that language, which people use a lot for doing experimental design. But the drawback is that there is no user interface to that functions. That you basically need to do a lot of extra programming.
Yeah. Don't ask me to program it in R for sure.
That's right. Yeah, and actually, also we like to have this tool free and immediately available. So we removed registration completely. So we can basically just log into this website. This tool does not record any data. It's completely transparent and open, no registration. We are not asking for emails or something. Just get it and use it.
And the URL, this is just typing in the URL experimentaldesign.online.
That's right. That's the domain name. Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right. And your motivation then it's free.
Yeah.
Nothing's free. What's the catch? Everybody's thinking, what's the catch?
That's right. Yeah, that's the answer is very simple. So probably when you're using WhatsApp Messenger, right?
Yeah.
You are not thinking much about the catch, right? It's completely free. There is no much registration. Lots of people use it, and meanwhile it actually costs a lot. So in this new era of digital assets, basically the price, the value which is calculated into the real
Well, you're not asking people, you're not
very-
collecting data. Are you collecting data?
right away. So if you want a response surface, for example, just click here. It will generate you a table with some response surface design. And if you want to know what it is, you can go to settings. And here, you will have a kind of different menu. Here, you will be suggested to choose either box backend or central composite. And you'll have a really nice visualization here, actually. For example, you can explore your cube here. And this visualization help you to tweak central composite, for example. You can choose it as a rotatable, as orthogonal. You see the star dots are different here. Or you can.
Wow. And I mean, you're just dragging that with your mouse.
Exactly.
To be able to rotate it. I mean, I haven't seen anything like that ever.
Yeah, that's very. Yeah, you can actually even zoom in and zoom out. I think.
I mean, this is pretty pretty exceptional. I mean,
it's a advantage of modern technology. So the mini tab is it's kind of they try to keep up with
but because it's so big, it would take a lot to change the basic underlying infrastructure of it. So they chose the interface more like frankly like a notepad. It looks like a notepad flavor. Yeah. And then Sigma Excel is limited because of Excel. Yeah.
Right. Jump is more advanced in that sense. They probably can implement this feature at some point, but I'm not directly comparing here. I just wanted to show that with our application, you can easily change the alpha and change the distance of your stars from the center, and see that. So you you see you're moving stars away from the center, and you literally see that. And if you, for example, if you really want this design, you can create a DOE table, and you got it. This is the design which you just saw here.
Yeah.
And you can go back. For example, if you want to make it more like round, rotatable, you can just switch back, change it button here, and you got it. And I will